Guys, hello everyone and namaste. So guys, behalf of this full moon whose energies are for today also, we will do a full moon spread and I'm doing this for the first time. So do let me know that how did you feel, like did you understand or so. So let's start. So we will also clarify the messages we will be getting via tarot. We are doing this. So very first card is present at present moment what you need to know. Next will be what you need to release. Second is what you need to transform within yourself. And the fourth message is the message from the divine. So let's start. Okay. So the present card for you is okay, blocked intuition. So guys, you're not listening to your intuition. This is what I'm feeling. Like you have a lot of knowledge and all. Your intuition is guiding you a lot. Uh, your inner voice is telling you a lot of things. This is what I'm seeing with this card. But you're not listening to it. You're too much focused on, money. You are being too much blindfolded. This is what I'm seeing it. Like maybe you wish to earn money or so, it can be anything with respect to your career or so, anything. But at the same time your inner voice, your gut is trying to tell you some things, maybe alert you about some things, and which you are not at all paying attention to. You are being blindfolded. You also have a lot of experience and all, you have a lot of knowledge, but somehow now you're not, I don't know what's wrong with you. You're not able to acknowledge it. This is what I'm seeing. And let's see what clarifier comes up for this message. Okay, so oh, too many cards have, okay, three cards have popped out and I'm taking it as a message. So the very first message is death. And now this death doesn't means uh, like you're going to die or someone else from your family, your loved, or anything, they are going, something will happen to them. No, nothing like that. It says that some stuffs are finished for you, or you need to end some stuffs, but you're not doing it. You are just maybe repeating in the same patterns, you're going in that same loop again and again. But this has been said to you that unless and until you don't change, you don't release few stuffs, there will be no change in your life. This is what has been said. Second card is, see, because of it you're not able to balance maybe your personal life or so, or maybe you have good options in front of you, but you're confused, you're not understanding. Maybe this is what I'm feeling. You're not able to make decisions, take decisions. This is what I am seeing, because maybe you're too much focused that where I can earn more or so. This is what I am feeling over here. And maybe universe is trying with the debt card to tell you, please do not focus a lot on money and money. Some stuffs need to be, other stuffs also need to be acknowledged. And the last card is, see guys, victory. With this card, now you're feeling that you're winning, whatever you wish to have, it's happening, wish fulfillment and all such stuff. But with this card, it is also been said to you, maybe whatever you're doing for now, it is giving you a lot of recognition also, but it is said that this is temporary, guys. Like maybe people around you are appreciating you a lot, wow, like everything and all, but this is temporary, I would say, with this card. So please, you need to acknowledge it. And this is what has been said by the first card, that you're, some stuff you're not seeing, you are, you're understanding, you're feeling it, your gut is telling, but you're not acknowledging it. This is what I'm feeling a lot. Let's see second message, that is what you need to release. Okay, so see, this is related to emotions, and what you need to release is that, please don't become a people pleaser, I would say, with this message. Like, just see the difference between this two cups, guys. Just see the difference between the two cups. The cup you have is such a big one, and the opposite person has such a small cup. So doesn't mean this is only with respect to love or something. Now this can be in any sort of relationship, maybe colleagues, business partners, anything. This is what I would say with this card. But guys, please learn to give people, this is what I would say, how much they are giving you in return. Please don't overgive. This is what this message is trying to tell you. This is what is been said. So please be considerate, and this is what you need to release. This is what you need to release, guys, from your life. That overgiving. Please don't do that. Let me clarify this card. Okay. So this is the card, and the card is King of Pentacles. Now, just because this is king doesn't mean this is only for men. These are just energies, so this is for everybody. So guys, you need to come in your power, being the card of a masculine energy. I would say you need to come into your power. Secondly, please be very practical. You need to stand your grounds. You need to stay grounded for that, because you're overgiving. You need to stay grounded. This is what I would say. You need to stay secure within yourself, as this card says. uh, Another thing that I would like to say with this card is that, you know, if you're too much dependent on someone else for money, please come in your power and earn your own money. This is what this card is saying. Because someone is giving you money or so, and that is why you're over giving. But in return, what are you getting? Nothing. Emotionally, nothing you are getting. So, this has been said to you guys that you need to come in your power. You need to stand your grounds. You need to be very practical, guys. This is what I would say with this card. So, please, you need to work on it. This king is in his own power. He has his own throne. So please have that self respect, that self worth. This is what has been said to you. Okay. So, guys, now let's see what you need to make changes within yourself, what you need to transform. Okay. So, what has been said to you is that you need to go within yourself, and you need to see where you need to make changes also, and you need to just keep moving. You don't have to pause, you don't need to stop. Maybe already a time has already, what I am sensing is time has gone. Like, now somewhere you're realizing, or maybe after listening to this video you may realize, yes, I was doing this wrong thing of over giving people. So this message is trying to tell you. So that doesn't mean that you need to stop or pause. You need to keep moving, but at the same time, before going to bed also, you can, stay, or else you can stay in solitude. You can isolate yourself. You can go for a trip somewhere, which will, where you are all alone, and that will help you to analyze like what you have to do, what you don't have to do, and all everything. Only then you will get a clarity. You have a lot of experience looking at this picture of this old man. You have a lot of picture. You have this, it's not that you're walking also. You have, this bike, like, fine, I understand that you are at a good position, but only with respect to some stuffs you really need to contemplate within yourself. But only, like, whatever experiences you are getting, no, from that you need to learn, like observe those people or that specific person. So that is why this has been said, keep moving and analyze, contemplate, go within yourself. You will get a lot of clarity. Let's clarify this card. So let's see what clarifier comes up. Okay, so this is the card, and it is Four of Pentacles. So guys, you are being said that people who are not giving you much, please set your boundaries and priorities with respect to them. Once when you will go within yourself, as this card is showing, you will understand slowly and gradually you need to keep your boundaries. You need to set your priorities. And also, what I see, that with respect to money, pentacles, you will start, somewhere, what I see, saving money, or you will stop, you know, showing your finances or so, like, this is what I'm sensing. Or also, for some of them, people who are manipulators, who try to show you, see how much they have, how much money I have, this and that and all, everything. So this is a message for you, that somehow you will start staying away from them. So how it totally depends on how is your individual situation, because a lot of them will watch this video. So this is why I am giving some 3 to 4 scenarios over here, that some of them I see you yourself will, have that control. You will start earning your stuff and all, everything beautiful. Some of them I see there are manipulators in your life who show, see, I have so much of money, and that is why you overgive emotionally or so. So this is what has been said, that you need to do, and some of them you will start doing it. This is what I am seeing over here. So wonderful. Let's see what message comes from divine. Oh wow, beautiful message. See, so guys, slowly and gradually, when you will start taking efforts on yourself, like, you will start earning your own stuff and all, everything, and I see you will be becoming successful. As you can see in this picture, you're being happy. A lot of people, maybe you were, these may be the faces to whom you used to give a lot emotionally, and they might be shocked. This is what I'm seeing, that how did you do this, or like, how can you do also, because like they felt that you're very weak or so. But this is what will happen. So I feel with this card you need to stay little secretive, because with these faces, like, I don't see anybody smiling for you or so. They are just looking at very, just neutrally, no expression, nothing. So these are the faces maybe to whom you used to give a lot. This is what I am feeling over here. This is what I would say. So, but you can do. This is what I would say. This is what divine is saying, in fact, with this message, that do your own thing. You will be happy. See, let's clarify this. Okay. The clarifier of this is this Seven of Cups. This is what I'm saying. So for now you're not understanding, or at, like, initially you won't understand what to do, what not to do. Like, this is what has been, this is what I'm seeing it. But this message is clearly telling you that yes, uh, you will do, you will come in your power, you will do. And another thing what I am getting is, like, because of this, you will get a lot of options. Now this can be with respect to any area of life, but you need to take care, you know that, because your emotions may hamper. With the cups card, I feel emotionally you may not be able to somehow, you know it may get little imbalance, but if you give your best, you can balance it, because this is, after all, a minor arcana card. So I would say that little bit here and there, this may happen emotionally, maybe these, because of these people also, and you won't understand what to do and all. Because now, because when the energies will change, when you will be coming in your power, this is what I'm seeing with this Eight of Pentacles. Then yeah, there are some people always, even that they want to come, and then they will, try to please and all. Maybe it will happen that you won't understand why this is happening also. But you need to know, guys, that how you were being treated. This is what I would say. So guys, this was the full moon spread reading, and please do let me know in the comments that did you understand, how did you feel, did you resonate, because many of them will watch it. So thank you till then.